Dun, 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 dun. A Balloon Break Igloo production. Tommy, get ready.
Hi, how much is a Big Apple?
$20.99.
God, that's expensive. If only I had money.
But we have very rip-off prices here. So would you like to sign a contract and you get one for free?
No thanks, I don't really trust contracts.
God, I was trying to get him in my loophole. Tommy, now you say hobo, remember? Hobo. Meanie. Sure. Stupid. I'm not stupid.
You didn't say that, there's me. Hey, that king's had money. Follow us.
I'm here with the money.
Good. Give me this.
Yeah, that's the stuff. 12 cents.
Hallelujah. That's not much.
It is for me.
It's only 2 pennies and a dime. Not much.
So
Not much.
what?
So what? It's not that much, dude. We're filming. Alright. Oh crap. Alright. Sorry, this is the end of part 1. We're gonna have to do it over again. Bye.